Hi, explorers! Welcome to Reading Time with Tiny Tots Adventures. Are you ready to read some words with us today? Yay! Let's go! This is a cup. It is small. Let's read it again. This is a cup. It is small. Now you try. Great job, Explorer! Are you ready for the next one? Here it is. This is a dog. He is a pup. Let's read it again. This is a dog. He is a pup. Can you read it by yourself? Great job, Adventurer! Here's the last one. This is a red car. It is fast. One more time. This is a red car. It is fast. Do you think you can read this one by yourself? Let's try. I knew you could do it! That was so much fun! Today we learned so many words. Let's keep reading every day, learning words the fun way. See you next time, little readers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing. Bye-bye!